Hi everyone, welcome to the KGP Talkie. So in this lesson, I'll be showing you how you can connect the Telegram bot with the Hermes agent. Once you have connected your Telegram bot with the Hermes agent, then you would be able to control your Hermes agent through the Telegram bot itself. Alright everyone, let's go ahead and get started with Hermes agent and Telegram bot setup. First of all, you are going to come here inside the messaging. Then you are going to see here so many messaging applications, including the Telegram, Discord, Slack, and so much more. All right, let's get started with by visiting web.telegram. Then you need to search BotFather, then start the BotFather. Once you start the BotFather, then it is going to give you a lot of commands. You need to select here new bot command so that you can create a new Telegram bot. All right, thereafter it is gonna ask about the bot name. I'm gonna give here Hermes. So this is my bot name. Now I need to give here username as well for my bot. It is going to be Hermes_bot. All right, seems like this username is not valid. Basically this username is not available with the Telegram. So I can now change this username to something specific, Hermes KGP Talkie _bot. All right, congratulations on your new bot. We have got this bot. All right, the previous one was not available, but this particular bot is available right now for our use case. So it has given us all the details like a token ID. You can just simply click on that. It will get copied automatically. Otherwise, just select this, thereafter right click and then copy this token. We will need this token inside our Hermes agent setup guide. Select Telegram, thereafter paste your bot token inside the bot token. Then we also need here allowed Telegram user ID as well. So basically this allowed user Telegram ID is the person who is allowed to access our bot. So you need to search for user info get ID. Then you need to just simply write here /start. Then it is going to give you your user ID. This user ID is going to be used inside the Hermes agent so that Hermes agent would be able to allow my specific user ID to access the Telegram bot. All right, everything is done. Let's go ahead and restart the gateway. Gateway restart has started. It will take a little bit time to restart, and seems like yes, it has restarted. After restart, it is trying to connect. All right, and it has successfully connected here. All right, so our Hermes agent and Telegram is connected. Now it is time to test our Telegram bot which we created earlier. That was the Hermes agent. I guess it was something else probably. Hermes KGP Talkie _bot. Let's search for that name. Hermes KGP Talkie bot, and here it is, Hermes. It is just trying to update itself, and yes, everything is done. Let's start chatting with the Hermes bot. All right, let's go ahead and send a hi message. And now it is gonna tell me some, the house cleaning, like no home channel is set for Telegram. If you wanna set this as a home channel, then set this as a home channel. Anyway, here it has replied us, hello, how can I assist you today? That is excellent. All right, congratulations. You have successfully created your Telegram bot and you have connected that with the Hermes agent. Let's go ahead and set this as the home so that this particular channel, this particular information, or I would say that this particular chat can be used as the home channel. Now I'm going to ask here the question like, tell me latest global news around the world in the field of AI, let's say. And now what it is going to do, guess. So first of all, it is going to start here headless browser, and then it is going to do a lot of internet search. Then it is going to get all the relevant information. Then finally it is going to give us the synthesized information which we can use later on. All right, so we might need to wait here some time probably because it will take a time. I mean, it will definitely take some time. As you see here, it has started browsing. A lot of browsing is done. Now let me just quickly show you here how you can watch other videos on the OpenClaw and the Hermes agent. I have already published my full OpenClaw tutorial and the Hermes agent tutorials. Link for those are given in the video description. And now here you can see everything is coming here. All right, as you see here, everything is coming here. Okay, so you have got successfully all the latest AI news. That means we have successfully connected our Telegram channel with the Hermes agent. Everything is here. Key trend emergings and so much more. All right, everyone. So this is how you can connect your Telegram channel with the Hermes agent. You can control your Hermes agent with the Telegram channel itself. Now, if you have Telegram installed in your mobile, you can control the Hermes agent from your mobile itself. All right, guys, this is all about in this lesson. Bye-bye. Take care.